Local businesses and SEO. Start an SEO marketing campaign with keyword research. Local business owners who succeed with SEO marketing can compete in an ever-changing marketplace and can keep their business operating and thriving, even during challenging times like these. If you're new to SEO, it's understandable that you'll have a lot of questions. When we talk about how SEO works, there's a lot of ground to cover. Like anything else, you've got to have a starting point. Keyword research is one of the most important aspects to using SEO within the framework of your business. Here are 3 things that will make the process of keyword research geared towards eventual SEO marketing a lot easier. Don't worry, once you get started, you'll find it easier than you may think. Tools are important. Google's AdWords for small businesses costs a little money, but it's one of the easiest, most comprehensive tools you can use to research keywords. If you want to get your SEO marketing campaign up and running quickly, hiring an expert to do the research for you can take the frustration as well as most of the time out of the process. While you might feel tempted to do SEO marketing research all on your own using free tools, keep the fact that your time is valuable in mind, and weigh the cost of using that time to do your research versus using your time in a more profitable way. Get in the back door. If your business is in a specific niche, let's say restaurants in Washington, D.C., then you might have a tough time trying to outrank top competition, so shoot for the back door. Use the fact that many consumers use misspelled words and keep that in mind while you're looking for the right keywords to use within your SEO marketing plan. In addition, think about using words that competitors might not have thought of, and think about using various combinations of keywords to help your local business rank better. But be specific. Combine keywords so your site is easy for search engines to find. Using our DC restaurant example, let's say you offer sushi. Use combinations of the words sushi, Washington, and DC instead of just using the word sushi to try and rank. Test this out for yourself. Type sushi into the search box and look at what comes up. Next, type sushi Washington and you'll see some better results. Finally, type sushi Washington, D.C. and you'll see a comprehensive list of restaurants that rank for sushi in DC. Failing to be specific is a major waste of time and money, so don't skip this step. With just a little knowledge of your own, as well as a clear goal in mind and a smattering of professional assistance, you can conduct your research quickly and start optimizing. It's money well spent, especially when you consider the fact that SEO marketing is one of the best ways to make your business, whatever it may be, better than ever. Thank you, and please contact us for more information.